Good evening, students. Today I am going to explain chapter 3 of computer of class 8, which is charts in Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel, as you know, that it is a spreadsheet software in which we used to make charts. This kind of charts, there are different kind of charts. So first we will study what is a chart. So chart is a pictorial representation which are made by after conversion of some data into some charts. For example, there are different types of charts: scatter chart, pie chart, line chart. So we will study in detail about all the other charts. So for that we need to understand each and every component of a chart. You can see this is the diagram in which you can see this is the plot area, this is the data series, these are legends. Legends are the, you have seen in news, the news reader used to give you about information about the weather, and in the side in the right corner you have seen that there are indication of the weathers. Or when you are studying geography, then when you are studying the map, then on the map in the right side there are some indication, then this area is field, this area is forest, this area is river. Like that, there are some signs which are called legends, and these are the data labels. I hope you are able to see. These are horizontal axis, these are axis, and these are the grid lines. Grid lines, these are data points, and these are vertices. So these are the component of a chart. I hope you understand chart, as you are studying maths also. So axis means a chart has three axes: x axis, y axis, and z axis. In maths you have studied about x axis and y axis, but in computer science, as we are studying about 3D shapes also, so we have x, y, and z axis. Axis title means whatever title you will give. Data series means these series. The bar, line, and slices or other element that represent the data value in a chart is called a data series. These are the data series. What are the data table? It is the set of data value with the help of which the chart is drawn. Then we have data points. Data points are these points which are pointed in a chart. And then we have chart title, whatever title we will give to the chart. And chart area, this area is in this chart, this area is called chart area. Then plot area. Plot area is the space where we used to draw the chart. And then legends I told you earlier. And then grid lines, these lines are called grid lines. So types of chart, we have different types of charts. You have seen we used to make this kind of list in MS Excel. This list we used to convert in the form of chart. How we used to convert, we will study ahead. So there are types of chart. First one is column chart. You can see column, you understand these are the column. So a column chart display data in the form of vertical bars. These are the vertical bars in which we used to label the things. Line chart. Line chart, you can see we used to draw the chart increasing or decreasing, whatever details we are presenting in the chart in the form of line. Line chart display data in the form of a line which is formed by connecting the data points. And this is the pie chart. Pie chart is in the form of a circle. These are called pie. Display data for a single data series in the form of a pie. Next is Doughnut chart. A Doughnut chart is a variant of the pie chart. It also represents relationship of a parts of a data to the whole. As you can see, we have the different parts here. So that is the difference between pie chart and Doughnut chart. That in Doughnut chart The only difference between pie chart and dognut chart is that it displays multiple series of data. In a dognut chart, the data is arranged in the form of rings, and each ring represents a data series in the chart. Now this is the bar chart. You can see this is the bar chart in the form of bars we are representing. So bar chart looks like line chart, but the bars goes from left to right. The bar chart is a variant of column chart you have seen in the column chart. It also shows the comparison among individual items using bar of different heights. Now area chart. If we have to display the area chart is much similar to line chart, but the area beneath the lines is filled with colors. The data series are plotted on top of one another. Next we have scatter chart. Scatter means it is in the form of dots. You can see legends, number of soft toys, cost price, GST tax. Scatter chart is also known as XY chart. You can see x-axis and y-axis here. Plot each data point with a symbol. Unlike the line chart, the x-axis in the scatter chart has numbers instead of text values. Now we have this surface chart. You can see it looks like 3D, three-dimensional shape. We have studied that we have three axes of a chart: x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So it is, you can see here, it is also written that scatter chart create a three-dimensional view of data, and it shows trends in various across two dimension in continuous curves. That is next one is radar chart. You can see radar. It looks like it is in the shape of pentagon. You can see January, February, March, April. We are representing some data. So radar chart display data values relative to the center point. Each data series is plotted along a different x-axis starting from the center point to the outer ring. Now creating a chart. How can we create a chart? For example, we have this data. What are the steps we will follow to create a chart? First, we will select the data. Like we have to convert this data into some chart. So first of all, we will select the data. We will go insert and then chart, and then we will insert chart. Whatever chart we have to insert, we will insert, and the data will be converted into a chart. Modifying the chart. You can see we have three tabs here: design tab, layout tab and format tab. So you can see different things in design tab. Switch row or column, select area. These are the different we have studied in line chart. And then layout tab, you can see chart title, axis title, and then format tab. Changing the chart type. After inserting a chart in worksheet, we can change the chart anytime. Select the chart by clicking on its outer boundary. Change chart type, whatever type we want to change. From here you can see template, column, line, pie, bar. We can convert one chart to another chart by changing this thing. Changing the chart layout. How we can change the layout? First we have to select the chart, then click the more button in the chart layout group. In the design tab, select the desired layout for the chart from the list. You can see these are the different layouts. These are the different layout. Whatever the layout you want, you can insert in your chart. Now changing the chart style. You can see we have so many style. Whatever chart we want to change, we can change the chart style. For that also we have to go to the more option, and then we have to go to design tab. Then moving chart. If we want to move one chart from, you can move a chart from one worksheet to another or insert it to a separate sheet. We want to make a presentation, and in the presentation we want to insert some sheet. Then how can we do this? We can click on the move chart button from the location group, design tab, and we can fill these details. So you can see in this MS Word we have inserted this chart which we have made in MS Excel. So I hope you have understood this chapter and you will understand and you will complete the question answer which is given here. Few details I have already provided you and few whatever given in your book. I think you can solve this because I have given you. For any doubt you can ask me, you can give me any feedback. Thank you.